Hey, so I went ahead and got the GLC 63S. Yeah, I got it delivered to Cali from Montana. Here's some before and after pics. When I purchased it, it had all this gold. I had to have it painted before I shipped it. I got it here. I went ahead and I debadged it, did the tint, did the light up emblem, changed the wheels. I got the lowering kit coming in. It's just an electronic plug and play actually. I did a few little things, nothing too much. Don't gotta do much to this car. That's the whole point. But you can check it out. I got that clear bra on it right now, but I want to go ahead and get the whole thing ceramic coated and color corrected, all that good stuff. I got the Android Play, like plug and play box, so I can play videos. As long as you got internet, you're good. Netflix, all that. It's a 4.0 twin turbo V8, of course. It's 2020. It's used. It's a coupe. I love it. There's so much in this dash. There's so much different lighting. It's still learning, still going through it. There's a lot. It's a lot going on. I just wanted to leave you a couple pictures, let you check it out, see what our next project is. This is more of my daily though. I'm still building my 300. It ain't going nowhere. I'll show you my updates on that here shortly. Yeah, I was just saying, I got a couple before and after pics for you, so you can check this out. Let me know what you think. If you know anything about these headlights, let me know what the difference is with these ones versus the one that has just the two projectors. I don't know what the difference is. Man, I really like this car though. It's like my Jeep on steroids. It's everything I wanted the Jeep to be, honestly. Thing's nice, dude. I'll put some sound in here, get a little bit. I'll do a couple little blogs on it or whatnot, so you can get a little bit of content. But I hope you like it. Just dropping it. I love it. Already debadged it. I had to get rid of this yellow. I was going to put the black ones on, but I'm not really feeling them right now. I like it with nothing. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Went to the wheel shop. Put the 22 Forgiatos on it. I forgot what the style is called, but shout out to Manny over there at Ballers Inc. He hooked it up. You guys need wheels, need to contact him. He got some fair prices. He's beating everybody out there. They're killing it. I love the shop. They got a large variety. Yeah, that's about it for right now, though. Just check it out. Let me know what you think.